That's just 1 can of Rotel over my pre-cooked spaghetti. 1 chicken pulled. Alrighty, I'm just gonna set this aside, bring in my mixing bowl here. All right, I've got my 16 ounces here of whipped cream cheese. And I like this because it's basically pre-softened, but you can always use 2 blocks if you prefer. Coming in with 1 jar pickled jalapenos. I'm just gonna use about half of these. I did drain most of the juice out of them. They're hot, but if you want to use medium or mild, you can do so. I've got some diced onions here. I just have these left over from another recipe, so you can use as little or as much of those as you like. Now I'm gonna throw in some paprika. You can use chili powder or cumin, whatever tickles your senses. Now I've got some garlic powder, and I absolutely love garlic. You can use fresh, you can use the squeeze kind. I'm just using this delicious granule powder today. Now this is controversial, but I am gonna use some cilantro in here. I just got a fresh bunch, super cheap and affordable at your local grocery store, and I'm just kind of pulling these off the stems, but don't worry, I'm not gonna leave it in the form like this. Use your kitchen shears, that might even be a better way to do it, and just kind of get these guys cut up into smaller pieces. Perfect. Alrighty, I'm just coming in with about half a cup of my heavy whipping cream here, just to give this a little bit more creamy smoothness. All right, I'm just gonna give this a light stir, a light little mix here, but don't you worry, y'all. We are going to totally transform this before your very eyes. Just wait and see. All right, I'm coming in with my little hand blender here. You can just throw these in a regular countertop blender if you've got one. I am so excited, y'all. If you don't do Taco Tuesday, but you like to do something a little bit Mexican flavored around your house, this is a perfect, delicious, creamy, satisfying, all-in-one dinner. I think y'all are really gonna like this. All right, y'all, I did a little tasty taste of this, so I'm gonna just put in a little bit of salt and pepper to taste here. It wasn't too spicy with those jalapenos. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of red pepper flakes in here. Alrighty, I'm just gonna bring back in my 13 by 9 here. And we are gonna pour this delicious sauce right on top. Okay, I do wanna get all my sauce out of here. So I'm just gonna scrape my bowl really well here. Fun to use fresh ingredients. You can always roast your own fresh jalapenos and onion if you prefer. It is totally up to you. Customize, do what you got time for, do what you love. All right, I'm just gonna kind of mix this around with all that pasta, the chicken, the Rotel. Y'all, how easy was this? Semi-homemade, somewhat fresh dinner that's gonna be just so filling, yummy. We got our protein with our chicken. We've got that delicious kind of Mexican sauce, our canned tomatoes here, just lots of spices and flavors. What a satisfying, easy meal. All right, perfect. All right, guys, I'm coming in with my Monterey Jacques cheese. This is just 2 cups, and I'm just gonna spread this out. You can use, of course, whatever cheese you want. I just thought this Monterey Jacques would go so well on top of this delicious dish. It's gonna bring a real creaminess, chewiness, flavor to this. I think it's just, I love a cheese crust, y'all. And if you don't like cheese as much as I do, you can just leave it off. That's it. All right, I've just got some strips of pre-cooked bacon, and I'm just gonna come in again with my kitchen shears, and I am just going to cut these into smaller pieces, get this all sprinkled and spread on top. Ooh, y'all, we're gonna be eating good tonight. What an easy dinner. I think my husband's gonna love that. Ooh, my oven's shouting at me. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna pop this in my oven at 350. We're gonna have it in there for about 30 minutes, and then we'll be ready to enjoy. Alrighty y'all, we just baked this for 30 minutes. Look how scrumptious this looks. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Get in there. I'm gonna try and cut through this with my spatula here. Get on these sides. That's the way Marty does it, y'all. I'm learning. Coming in with my plate. Ooh, look at this. This is like a fusion of Mexican and Italian with the spaghetti noodles, jalapenos, cilantro, that chicken. Oh my God, this is so good. Y'all, this is so good. You've got to try this.